Hello, everyone. Welcome to Global Language Podcast. Today's situation is stressful, very stressful. You arrive at the airport. You are tired, long flight, and then your luggage is missing. Alex just landed in Toronto. It was a long international flight. He was exhausted. All he wanted was simple: take his bag, go home, rest. He stood near the baggage carousel. The bags started coming. People were picking their luggage, one by one. Alex was watching carefully. Black suitcase, medium size, red tag. One round passed. Nothing. Second round. Still nothing. People were leaving. The area was getting empty. Now only a few bags were left, but not his. Alex started feeling nervous. No, this can't be happening. He waited one more round. Still nothing. Now he had no choice. He walked to the airline service desk. Staff: "Hi, how can I help you?" Alex: "Hi, I think my luggage is missing." Staff: "Okay, don't worry. Let me help you. Can I see your baggage claim ticket?" Alex: "Yeah, here it is." She checks the system. Staff: "All right, I see your bag here." Alex: "So where is it?" Staff: "It looks like your bag didn't arrive on this flight." Alex: "What do you mean?" Staff: "It was probably left at the previous airport." Alex: "You're kidding me." Alex: "I have important things in that bag." Staff: "I understand. This happens sometimes." Alex: "Sometimes? This is a big problem for me." Staff: "I'm really sorry about that. We will locate your bag." Alex: "When will I get it?" Staff: "Usually within 24 to 48 hours. Alex: 48 hours? I can't wait that long." Staff: "I understand your frustration." Alex: "I have clothes, documents, everything is in there." Staff: "Okay, let's file a report first." Alex: "Fine. What do you need?" Staff: "I need your flight number, address, and a description of your bag." Alex: "It's a black suitcase, medium size, with a red tag." Staff: "Any brand?" Alex: "Yeah, Samsonite." Staff: "Got it." She types. Staff: "Where will you be staying?" Alex: "I'll be at my apartment in downtown Toronto." Staff: "Can you write your address here?" Alex: "Sure." He writes quickly. Alex: "What happens next?" Staff: "We will track your luggage and deliver it to your address." Alex: "Do I need to come back here?" Staff: "No, we'll send it to you." Alex: "What if you don't find it?" Staff: "If it's lost, you can file a claim for compensation." Alex: "How long does that take?" Staff: "It depends, but usually a few weeks." Alex: "That's not helpful right now." Staff: "I understand. For now, you can buy essential items and keep the receipts." Alex: "So you will reimburse me?" Staff: "Yes, up to a certain limit." Alex: "All right." Alex: "This is really frustrating." Staff: "I know. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience." Alex: "Okay. I just hope you find it soon." Staff: "We will do our best." Alex walks away slowly. No luggage, no clothes, no control, just uncertainty. This trip is already going wrong. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Now, we are still inside the same situation. You just landed, your bag is missing, you are tired, you are stressed. This is not a classroom. This is real life. Now we learn exactly what Alex said and what you should say. Scene 1. My luggage is missing. I think my luggage is missing. I think my luggage is missing. This is your first sentence. Simple, clear. More natural variations. I can't find my luggage. I can't find my luggage. My bag didn't show up. My bag didn't show up. My suitcase is not here. My suitcase is not here. Real tip. Don't say complicated things. Keep it simple. Scene 2. Can I see your baggage claim ticket? You must understand this. Important vocabulary. Baggage claim ticket. Baggage claim ticket. This is the sticker they give you. Your response. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, here it is. Sure, 1 second. Sure, 1 second. Natural combo. Sure, here it is. Sure, here it is. Scene 3. Your bag didn't arrive. Your bag didn't arrive on this flight. Key verb, arrive. Examples. The train didn't arrive on time. The train didn't arrive on time. My package didn't arrive. My package didn't arrive. Scene 4. Reaction, important. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? This shows confusion, more natural. What do you mean it didn't arrive? What do you mean it didn't arrive? How is that possible? How is that possible? Scene 5. Emotion. You're kidding me. You're kidding me. Meaning, this is shocking. Examples. You're kidding me, right? You're kidding me, right? Are you serious? Are you serious? Scene 6. Expressing problem. I have important things in that bag. I have important things in that bag. Variations. Everything is in there. Everything is in there. I need those items. I need those items. Scene 7. This happens sometimes. This sentence can annoy you. Better response. This is a big problem for me. This is a big problem for me. I really need my bag. I really need my bag. Scene 8. Time problem. When will I get it? When will I get it? Follow-up. How long will it take? How long will it take? Can you give me an exact time? Can you give me an exact time? Scene 9. Frustration. I can't wait that long. I can't wait that long. Examples. I can't wait 2 days. I can't wait 2 days. That's too long. That's too long. Scene 10. Formal process. Let's file a report. Let's file a report. Meaning, official complaint. Examples. I want to file a report. I want to file a report. I need to report this. I need to report this. Scene 11. Describing bag. It's a black suitcase, medium size, with a red tag. It's a black suitcase, medium size, with a red tag. Pattern. Color plus type plus size plus detail. Examples. It's a blue backpack, small, with a logo. It's a blue backpack, small, with a logo. Scene 12. Address. Where will you be staying? Where will you be staying? Your answer. I'll be staying at my apartment. I'll be staying at my apartment. I'll be staying at a hotel. I'll be staying at a hotel. Scene 13. Delivery. We will deliver it to your address. We will deliver it to your address. Important word. Deliver. Examples. They will deliver the package. They will deliver the package. Scene 14. Worst case. What if you don't find it? What if you don't find it? Very important structure. What if plus situation. Examples. What if it's lost? What if it's lost? What if it never arrives? What if it never arrives? Scene 15. Compensation. You can file a claim for compensation. You can file a claim for compensation. Keywords. Claim, compensation. Examples. I want to file a claim. I want to file a claim. Scene 16. Money question. Will you reimburse me? Will you reimburse me? Meaning, pay back. Examples. Will you cover the cost? Will you cover the cost? Will I get my money back? Will I get my money back? Scene 17. Final emotion. This is really frustrating. This is really frustrating. Alternatives. This is stressful. This is stressful. This is a problem. This is a problem. Full shadowing. Real flow. I can't find my luggage. My bag didn't show up. What do you mean? You're kidding me? I have important things in that bag. I can't wait that long. I need help. What if you don't find it? Will you reimburse me? This is really frustrating. Grammar from this story. 1. Past simple. Didn't arrive. Didn't show up. 2. Future. Will. We will deliver. We will contact you. 3. What if structure. What if it's lost? Final message. This is real English. When you are tired, when you are stressed, you don't need perfect grammar. You need clear sentences, fast reaction, real phrases. That's what we practice here. If you want more real-life English, subscribe to Global Language Podcast.